going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a phone monitor. I want to test this out because people has been saying for the longest that the back of your camera takes better photos, or you capture better videos using your back camera than you do using the front selfie camera. And I know most of the time, if I have my phone, I'm using the front selfie camera. So we will put this up to the test. When people say using the back camera is better than using the front camera, we will see. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So if you want to vlog and get better picture, we will see. And wow. All right. So with this, you get a remote. You get a nice little carrying pouch for your monitor. Not bad. Okay, you get a charger wire, and then what is this? 2 charging wires. Okay, so you can charge. Okay, yeah. So you get 2 charger wires. One have the regular USB. All right, and then you have this one with USB type C. And then they give you the tripod for it. Is this magnetic? No, this is not magnetic either. Oh, okay. This is magnetic, but you got to hook this to your phone. Okay, now I get the game. I see. All right, and then as you know, in the camera world, you can hook up your microphone, or you can hook up your lighting right here. So that's for the camera people know. So now the way this works, so you have a power right here. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and test this out. You only have 2 ports in here. All right, you have 2 ports. You got 3 buttons up here. Don't know what everything is yet. So let's see if we need to power this, or how this gets power. So that way we can test out our front camera, and we're gonna test out the back camera. And then y'all can see the different quality. I like the fact that this is magnetic. All right, so which one of these is on and off? That's the question. So the button on the far right, once I held it down, it came on. Oh Lord, look at all this, you guys. I gotta read all of this. Why can't it just be simple? All right, it says connect device Wi-Fi. So I have to connect this to my Wi-Fi. Click cast screen icon. Step 1, connect the device Wi-Fi. Oh, I knew it has to be complicated. You just have to be a technology freak. All right, let me see if I can find this daggone monitor. Right now, I'm running my Wi-Fi right now. Does it see anything? Connect to device Wi-Fi. Click cast screen on icon. So which one of this is cast screen? Open the phone setting. And do I really have to do all of that? Can I just screen mirror? I want to mirror my screen. Settings, screen. I have to use my brain. All right, you guys, I found it now. So you have to look for the Wi-Fi PH01. Then you have to enter the password. Password is on the screen right here. Now it should be acting right. All right, now it joined. All right, so they want me to go to screen mirror. How the heck you do screen mirror, you guys? I forgot. Is it this? No, that's a remote. It says choose TV. That's not what I want. Where is screen mirror? I'm looking for screen mirroring, you guys. I don't see it on here. Do I have screen mirror? Why don't I have screen mirroring on my phone? Clicked on video, but what if I want a screen mirror? That's the issue. Okay, all right. So do I have to download it? I thought iPhone automatically come with screen mirroring, you guys. I'm swiping down. I'm looking for screen mirror. I don't see it. This is frustrating. Okay, let me try to download it real quick. My phone gonna die before this daggone thing get charged. Now I have no internet connection because I gotta get off of that Wi-Fi. Oh boy. I just wanna use a monitor, bro. That's it. So now I gotta switch Wi-Fis right now. All right, don't need to waste no more battery. Woo. All right, you guys, I was this close to returning this thing. I could not find out how to do the mirroring thing, and I had to play with my phone for a very long time. So I played with my phone for a little while. Now, if you just got yourself an iPhone and stuff, if you slide like this on your control center, right? I did not have the screen mirroring part there. So in order to get that screen mirroring part there, you hit the plus symbol, and right here it says add control. All right, you hit add control, and then screen mirroring appeared. As a matter of fact, they have a whole lot of stuff here that I did not know. They even have scan code, all of this quick access stuff. For the people that have Apple, they probably like, oh, you slow. All right, anyways, so it works. So give me 1 second. I'm going back on the camera. All right, you guys. So I am on camera mode, and right now y'all looking at y'all selves. All right. So there you go. Now, if you want to rotate the screen, you can rotate it by the click of a button. So if your camera is on one side like this, you don't have to block your camera or something like that. So you can have this on this side and then hit the screen button to rotate to where you need it to see yourself right side up and stuff like that. This is awesome, you guys. I'm not going to lie. Now we are going to do some recordings. I'm going to do some recordings with the front part, and then I'll do some recordings with the back, and then we will finalize the review. All right, you guys. So I just pressed record, and I have to say that this monitor is dangerous. This monitor looks good, you guys. Like the actual monitor on here, it looks 4K. It looks 4K, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This monitor looks good. Now, a lot of what people probably don't know, even if you're using your phone, lighting is probably one of the most important things to have. All right, you have lighting and you have, of course, your audio, but I don't have no audio hooked up because I have the monitor hooked up right now. So this is raw footage on the iPhone, okay? Now, to hook up my lavalier mic, I will have to figure that out. Maybe I got to hook it up to the monitor. I don't know. Or I have to get a connection to hook multiple things up, because if you're using this monitor, you basically like filmmaking, right? So you hooking up a monitor and you need more hookups. So you need to buy an adapter where you can hook up multiple things. That's me recording on the back camera. Now let's go ahead and turn it around. Okay, you guys, so now I am on the front facing camera. Again, on a front facing camera, you can't change no settings, no nothing. It's just, you can't even do wide angle or anything. But as you know, on the back facing camera, you can do wide angle, you can zoom in, zoom out, and all of that cool stuff. All right. So this is the picture as you get. And remember, I said when you get into the light, how your picture looked. And I am not going to lie, the back camera looks way better. It looks way better. Like, I could tell the difference. All right, you guys. So I just flipped it back over. Now, this is recording at HD 30 frames per second. Okay. HD 30 frames per second. I didn't go 4K or none of that. And another con for me, not really a con. I can't use this, you guys. Y'all kind of in the way for me to use this. Y'all blocking my magnet. All right. So this stand that I just purchased not too long ago, it's kind of pointless if I'm going to use the monitor. Now, with that being said, I won't be using the monitor all the time, you guys. No. All right. I'm using the monitor on, like, if I want to make certain content look real good, then I'll use this one right here. So I don't need to hook this wire up to this because I thought you had to hook this up to the monitor for the monitor to power on, but the monitor runs by battery, so it runs on charge. You see, there y'all go. Y'all could kind of see yourselves. Kind of. I'm going to put y'all back because that looks kind of weird. I'm going to slide down. All right, charging. It says the charging indicator light stays on red during charge and remains green after being fully charged. If y'all have anything to bring up, please let me know in the comments. Then I'll try to let y'all know. But that's it, you guys. This is awesome. This monitor is awesome, you guys. It's so clear, like very clear. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.